Welcome back to the Land Rover restoration series. In this episode, part 2, we're going to be rectifying every single scratch, dink and dent on the vehicle, and then we're going to strip the entire car down to a bare shell, and then we're going to send the car in for paint. As you can see here, all the areas where there was a dink or a dent have now been rectified and filled back to the original shape of the panel. Now we're just going to blow the panels down, make sure they're completely contamination free, and then we're going to give the car a panel wipe. Then the car will be ready for primer, then paint. Now that all the panels are contamination free, they're now officially ready for primer and paint. It is now time to mask up the areas that are not going to be having paint, and check out this amazing time lapse of Purdy applying masking tape. And I want to shout out Seb for the amazing photography. Check these out. I wasn't able to film the paint process, but here we are. Here's what it looks like after 3 coats of the factory colour, and now it is fully baked and cured, now ready for lacquer. And check out the amazing transformation once we add a coat of lacquer. Now that the vehicle's gone through the entire paint process, it is now time to let the lacquer cure. Then we're going to check over the paintwork for any imperfections like these dirt nibs here. Then we will rectify them. Then once they're rectified, it is time to assemble the vehicle back together. Then the vehicle is going to go over to Onyx Automotive next door to go get prepped, ready for a stage 3 machine polish. So that is pretty much it for part 2 on the Land Rover Discovery restoration process. In the next episode, we're going to be prepping the vehicle, completely decontaminating it, ready for polish, which is going to completely transform the paintwork and make it look showroom condition. All that in the next episode. Subscribe with notifications on, and do not miss part 3.